Hi everyone, today I would like to share a story of nut. So make a guess, when is the first nut that showed out in the history? Now you can think of it. So the answer is 4,000 years ago in the prehistory time. At that time, people used nuts for different functions like fixing, connecting, or hanging something. So while we are in the wild, knowing how to tie a knot is very important. So a good knot can save lives when you are dealing with a survival situation or performing first aid and when working over height or water, so like high element or water chasing. So today I'm going to introduce 4 different nuts for different functions. I hope after this seminar you can tell me at least 2 functions of nuts and know how to tie a square knot or a bowline something. So in the end I will ask you some questions about the seminar. Here we go. Okay, welcome back. So now I would like to divide into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. And then please choose one volunteer to come to sit in the semicircle here. So each of you have to have one volunteer to come to the front. Okay? Okay, the first knot we are going to present is square knot. Square knot. When we use the square knot, that means when we want to put 2 lines together or 2 rows together, so we can use square knot to connect 2 ropes. Okay, so here we go. So you have to find 2 different ropes. And then first is right hand and left hand. Okay, so I have right hand and left hand. So first of all, so put the right one on the left one and then make a small knot and then tidy up. And now it's left side turn. So you put left side on the right side. Yes, left side on the right side, and then do the same thing. Make a tight, and then when you do like this one, just put it up. And then that is the easiest way to connect 2 ropes together. Okay, so that is a square knot. Square knot. The second knot we are going to make is a bowline. So what's the function of bowline? For example, if somebody was getting hurt in the very high places, and then we can make a bowline to help him or to help her to landing. So from the high position to low position, we can use the knot called bowline. So now here we go. So the same, we are preparing a rope like this one, and then we made a U shape of the line, and then we have to make a loop from the left hand side here. So just take it and slowly make a loop. Okay, and then take the right hand side, the line here. So to put the right hand side into the hole. And then after that, it's very important to go beneath the right hand side and then try to put this one into the circle. Here is the circle of this one, and then finally you tidy up. So that is the bowline here. Bowline. The third one is two-half hinge. So the function of two-half hinge is to something like you want to hang your clothing. So you have to find two trees, and then to use the line to connect two trees. So basically, if you have the hammock, you can use two-half hinge knot to connect two things. Or if you want to hang your clothes, you can prepare the ring like this one, and then put a two-half hinge on this one, and then you still can connect it to two things. So the function is to hang clothing or to hang some hammock. Okay, so now we are going to do a two-half hinge. So you have to prepare a ring like this one. Okay, because we didn't have tree today, so we have the ring like this one. Okay, so here we go. So first of all, put the ring on your left hand, on your right hand, and then to do like to have the line over the loop, and then do a cross on like this one. Okay, and then to find a red loop, and then to put your line inside and then tie it up. So notice you have to put your lines on your left hand side. Okay, so just tie it up, and then take the left hand side line here, left hand side, and then go under the right hand side one, go under it. Okay, and then to go through the hole here, and then to tie it up. So you will just like this one. Okay, so then you finish two half hinge. So when you finish one, remember you have to do it again on the other hand side, so you can hang something like this one. Okay, so that is two half hinge. Two half hinge. The last one is timber hinge knot. So the function of the timber hinge knot is to secure a rope to an object for hauling or to act as a support. So for example, if you want to hang, you can find a tree and then do a timber hinge to make sure the rope will stick on the tree very tight, so that you can have you can do something like as a supportive things. Okay, so now we need I will have a water bottle as a tree. Okay, and then we will prepare the red line like this one. So here we go. Okay, so here is my tree, and then first thing, so you put this one together, and on the left hand side go over the right hand side like this one, and then right hand side go over the left hand side like this one. Okay, and then you put this one into the loop, and then do the same action 4 or 5 times. I will put the water bottle flat to make you more clear. So you just do it the same thing 4 or 5 times like this one. So when you finish, you just tie it up, something like this one. So it will be very fixed. Okay, now everybody please make a semicircle. We will go back to your seat, and then I will ask you some questions. If you want to connect 2 ropes, which knot do you use? Or can you tell me 2 functions of the knots? Or who can tie a timber hinge for me? Okay, so I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Wish you have a nice day.